Hello dear Scorpions, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I am Vaishali and in this video I am going to read about your energy for the month of June 2021. Okay, so I'm using my energy deck here. Energy reading for Scorpions for the month of June 2021. While I shuffle my cards, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. I hope you all are doing good in this pandemic. Energy guidance for Scorpions for the month of June 2021. So with this last shuffle, I'm going to spread this deck now. Okay, let me pull out one energy card for you. Yes. Wow, due to value, lot of money, dear Scorpions, for you. So this month is going to bring you the opportunity to flourish. It's bringing you the opportunity to, to improve your financial position. It can be the new job, it can be the promotion, hike in the salary also, business venture, business expansions and all. So somewhere or the other, what I'm seeing is, this financial abundance is opening for you now. So that's the energy for you this month, dear Scorpions. And when we have this energy, it's actually brings a positivity. It brings good luck also, and it brings you. Sorry, it provides you the it makes you to invest. I mean, yes, it's a good time for you to, if you're planning for some investment also, then through this energy this month you can do that. You can go ahead with the investment also. Yeah, so long term or short term investment, you can do that this month. So this is the positive card for you. Whatever related to your business, whatever related to your finances that you want to deal with, this card is opening door for you now. Okay. So that's the energy for you this month, dear Scorpions. And let me also take out one more card which is going to talk about the message from angels for you for the month of June 2021. Message from angels for the month of June 2021. Okay, so yeah, before I taking out, card has already popped up. Wow. Look in a book. Whatever your question right now, you will find the answer in a book. The words you find will bring the insight you seek. So here the angels are suggesting you to, that's a message from the angels where they are suggesting you to look into the book. See, sometimes if you are looking for some answers, so reading definitely helps us a lot. Reading definitely helps us in in finding some solutions, in finding in getting sorry how should I say that? Yeah, I will just explain you with an example, a very best example. When I looked at this card, I mean, just reminded me, I just recollected a very good example. I usually, if I am seeking for some question, if I am seeking for some solution, some answer, I just think about it in my mind and then go through the affirmation messages online, okay, and different affirmation messages online, and then just try to pull out one affirmation randomly, or just try to pull out, if that's a notebook, or I mean if that's a book, then I just pull out one page randomly, and then I feel so much connected Okay, yes, that this is what actually the solution that I am seeking for it. So this is how the manifestation actually happens, dear Scorpions. So here, the angels are suggesting you to do exactly the same way. So look for the replies, because many a times it is not easy for us to find solutions by ourselves. It's very much, we can depend. We can actually seek the answers from the universe, and this is one of the ways to connect with those energies and then try to pull out those answers, or try to reach to the solutions, dear Scorpions. So that's a wonderful message for you. Try to do this, try to practice this. Probably many of you must be doing it for the first time. Okay, but yes, this has worked to me many times. I mean, almost every time this has worked to me. So I know with a proper belief and faith, this will also work to you. Okay, I wish you really good luck. Have a wonderful month this time, and I see you in the other video again. Thank you so much for joining me here. Bye bye, take care.